Sha. The Tortoise and the Birds.
Once upon a time, king of the birds, decided to throw a party in the sky. Go and invite all the birds for my party.
Yes, Your Majesty.
The tortoise, was with his friends, the birds, when the king's messenger arrived.
My fellow birds, you are invited to His Majesty's party. There will be lots to eat and drink.
Yay! was also interested in attending the party, but he had no wings to fly like the birds. So he pleaded with the birds.
Please, please, birds, throw me some wings, please.
Soon the parrot answered.
No, you are a cunning animal. You cannot be trusted.
Please, I promise to be good. I will be on my best behavior.
The birds felt sorry for and borrowed him some wings. But had a plan. On the day of the party, announced to the birds,
I have decided to change my name. I shall now be called All of You. Yes, my name shall be All of You.
The birds agreed, and together they flew to Ununu's palace in the sky. At the party, Eye the waitress brought food and drinks to the table.
Take, this food is for all of you.
Immediately, pounced on the food and drinks.
All this belongs to me. My name is All of You, remember? Wait for yours.
Ate and drank while the birds waited hungrily for their own food and drinks, which never came. When Eye the waitress returned, she pointed out,
He tricked you. The food and drinks were not meant for him alone.
The birds became angry.
Give us back our wings, you ungrateful friend.
One by one, the birds took back their wings from Alone and without wings to fly back home, jumped from the sky. He landed on his back, breaking his shell. Mbe's shell scattered around in pieces and he broke down in tears.
I am sorry. I will never cheat again. I will never be greedy again. Oh, I'm sorry.
The birds heard Mbe's cries, accepted his apology, and together they helped fix his broken shell.
Thank you. You are all so kind.
And they all lived happily ever after.